Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a great way to practice your triad shapes, but also work on your left hand technique, getting your fingers to move the way they need to move. So to get started, we're going to just use this very simple major triad. So if you're familiar with the C chord, it's the top three notes. You've got open G, the third string. Your first finger goes on C at the first fret, and then open E. Now this shape, you can move around the entire neck. So if you raise everything by one fret, a half step, put your first finger, first fret, third string, then your third finger on the second fret, second string, and then your third finger on the first fret of the string number 1. So from here, everything up a half step, and then of course this shape can be moved around the entire fretboard. And all the way back down, and that's great. The exercise I want to show you is using a variation of this chord. It's the same chord, just a different fingering. So we're going to take your second finger, your fourth finger, and your third finger. And that can be moved around in the same way. Where it gets really interesting is if you can switch between the two. And so because both of these fingerings are very useful for this shape, and you're going to need to use them at different times. And so here's what the exercise looks like. So hopefully you can tell what I'm doing is I'm going from one fingering to the next and moving the whole shape up a half step. So here, and then I'm visualizing where my pinky needs to go, right here. And then I'm scoping out where I need to go to next. So I know my first finger's got to go right here, and then everything switches. So it's a great exercise getting these fingers to switch to play the same shape all the way up. And then I found going backwards is even harder, a little bit harder to visualize. So I'll give that a try. I'm gonna put on just a little drum beat here, and I find it's fun to play along with these instead of just a metronome. Down. All right. Oh, there we go. That's done. So that's the exercise. give it a try. There's a million variations you could do. If you want to kind of take this up a difficulty level, what you could do is do alternate picking, arpeggiate everything. And so I was doing whole notes. 2, 3, 4. You could go. So that would be moving the chords twice as fast and incorporating an arpeggio if you need a little bit more of a challenge. So anyway, give that a try, and hopefully I'll do some more videos on other shapes, because you can do this with a lot of other chord shapes as well. So anyway, give that a try. Let me know what you think.